One of the things that I like best about Jorgenson Machine Tools is I really like the people, like Brian and Kyle, Roger, been good friends through the years. Really enjoyed working with them. Been a lot of fun to visit with and talk. But by way of buying machines, Jorgenson's been best with service, and if I want new, used, they've been there. They can always offer me something. They can get me parts. I've been really pleased with being able to help me out with pretty much any need that I've been looking for. It doesn't matter what kind of machine it is. I've been able to get it through them, and so if you're looking to get a machine, I would definitely give Jorgenson a call and have them give you a quote.